Welcome back, everybody. You're back for the KTM 50. Last video you saw, we got it all torn down. I sorted out what I needed for parts. I sorted out what was broken that needed to be fixed. Got some stuff ordered. Let's get this thing cleaned up and thrown back together. So from Pryme MX, we have here the plastic polishing wheel set. And then also from Pryme, we have the ultimate cleaning wheel pack, which comes with stuff for a Dremel. Even comes with the little metal piece to put in the Dremel and 2 buffing wheels. Let's get this thing shined up. They also have specific directions on their website on how to use these tools, what these tools are used for, and step-by-step processes. So if you go over to their website because you're not sure how to use these or what they're used for, it'll tell you right on their site. They look good. So before I go ahead and I install this engine in the frame, it does run, but there's a problem with the coil. What the bike will do is it will run for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, something like that. It'll get warmed up and it'll just shut off and it won't start back up. It will still have spark, but I don't think it's a strong enough spark once it gets warm. I think the coil is tired. It's been heat soaked too much, which after doing some research, this is a common problem in the 1998 to the 2001 KTM 50s, which this one is a 2001. Problem being, these coils are discontinued. So I had to find a new used one on eBay. Fingers crossed it works. The bike will start back up and run after it cools down for like 4 hours, but it does the same thing. It'll run for 2 minutes and then that's it. So let's get that coil put in here. Hopefully this solves our problem. We won't know until we get the rest of the stuff back from my detail guy. There's just these little clips. That's all. The spark. Did a little bit of silicone. Don't want to keep water out of there. Insert these little clips. Here on top. Say it with me. Support the people that support you. Done before. Important to do every so often to help this from getting stuck. Oh no! What are you doing, dude?
Very aerodynamic. I'm a bit worried if it goes too fast, it might just take off. Yeah, good point. Good point. Well, it's either going to take off or post a very, very fast time.
Gave the expansion chamber, header pipe, and my wheels to my neighbor. He details my cars and stuff. He polished the wheels and the pipe up. Dude. Knocked it out of the freaking park, dude. Holy crap.
rocking the camera.
Yeah. One Mississippi.
I'm with them on 10 seconds. Rubik's Cube.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah.
Okay, so get right here.
Get it rested. Yep, now kick. Well, that's a wrap on this KTM 50. She looks freaking mint. All in all, it wasn't that bad. It only needed that rubber plug for the carburetor really to be a full functioning bike. It did have a couple other issues that should have been addressed, but could the bike have been ridden that way? Yeah, just not well. But everything's greased up, ready to go, fresh oil, polished up, cleaned up. Now I've got to go deliver this to an 8-year-old boy on his birthday. Happy birthday, Parker. Let's go get this thing delivered. If you like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Parker, is that for you?
He's like,